Hi everyone, I'm Slaya, and today I'll show you how to run Android games on PC without an emulator. We'll be using Google Play Games, the official Google Play app for this. If you're ready, let's get started. First, visit the play.google.com/Google Play Games website and click Download to PC in the upper right corner. After downloading the Google Play Games installer, double-click it to start the installation. Click Install. The installation process may take some time. Let's wait for the installation to finish. As you can see, Google Play Games is installed. Let's run it. Almost all mobile games are available on the Google Play Games app, but other apps like social media apps are not yet included. Now, let's download and test any game. The game has been downloaded, now it's time to test it. As you can see, it was successfully launched. I hope this tutorial video on how to run Android games on PC without an emulator was helpful. If so, please subscribe to the Slaya YouTube channel and like the video. Have a great day.